In the industrial world where maximum efficiency is paramount, has traditional packaging become your bottleneck? Stable, efficient, and intelligent packaging solutions are key to gaining a competitive edge. Shanghai XIN-SUNMAN has been deeply rooted in the field of post-palletizing packaging since our founding in 2010. We are not just developers and manufacturers of intelligent packaging equipment, but providers of customized solutions. From industrial automated palletizing systems to fully automatic strapping and stretch wrapping, we have built a comprehensive intelligent product matrix covering the entire process. Leveraging our independently developed core technologies and modular production line designs, we provide customized solutions for numerous industries, including building materials, steel, and new energy, helping customers reduce costs and increase efficiency. Upholding the philosophy of professionalism creates quality, integrity builds the future. We are ISO certified and hold multiple national patents, ensuring every commitment with proven capability. Now, we are enthusiastically expanding into global market. We sincerely invite local distributors, system integrators, and industry partners to join hands with us. Let's share the growth dividends of the intelligent packaging industry and explore new opportunities in the global market together. SUNMAN PACK, creating value for customers. Visit our website now to discover more case studies and solutions.